I'm also including some 3-layer adult-sized boat-style masks from Kaze. They are called Kaze Light. They do not claim any particular standard for these, but their published lab tests show 99% filtration efficiency. I would like to know for sure. Me too, Eden. Let's do this. And on this, they're also claiming this same kids style. Yeah, junior protective respirator. So it's this GBT 38880-2020. Oh, look at this. What the hell? Look at, they've got a little, that's so expensive to do. Really high quality product though, like in terms of like they've got the adjustments. The manufacturing process for this is very, very expensive, I can tell you. We don't do half the stuff these guys are doing. Okay, let's try this. All right, this is the Kaze Light. Let's let it rip. This is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiency machine. We are doing the N95 test using NaCl. So beautiful, feels really great. The last one smelled delightful. You know, it's so funny. The last one was a delightful hair salon. This is a hair salon. This is a hair salon that has too much treatment happening right now. I don't actually know what they do in hair salons, to be honest. But sometimes they smell like chemicals, and this one smells like that. Very nice. The nose wire could be a little stronger. It's like, give me some pushback. I think I'd have some leaking above the nose, but it's got these adjustments. Super high quality product. I can do the ear loops. You want me to do the ear loops? Let's do it. Oh yeah, that's a great ear loop. That's great. That's a great product. I mean, it's almost a permanent mask. It's so good. But does that matter if it doesn't protect you? 99.25, Eden, just like their claimed results. Holy shit. 64 pascals. Super breathable. This is a great mask. This is literally the polar opposite of the other mask that they had. 64.8 pascals, 99.25. That's a great mask.